Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to learn how to customize the lock screen clock on your iPhone. In ISO 16, the latest version of your iPhone, Apple gives you the ability to both change the font and the colour of your lock screen clock. It's a great way to add some personalisation to your iPhone. First, let's go to our iPhone settings and scroll down until we get to the wallpaper section. Tap on that and you'll see the current wallpaper. From there, tap Customize and you'll be able to change both the font and the colour of the clock and all the widgets on your lock screen. To change the font, simply tap on the time and it will give you a range of different font choices. You can choose any font you like and it will immediately change on your lock screen. I personally like this one, but you can choose any font you want. Next, let's change the colour. To do this, tap on the little colour icon next to the font section. Here you'll have the option to choose any colour you want from a spectrum of colours. You can even match the colour to something specific, like this colour here, to match our background on our iPhone. Once you're done, just exit out of the customization screen and your lock screen clock will have updated with your new font and colour choice. I hope this tutorial helps you personalise your iPhone lock screen. Let me know in the comments what font and colour you have chosen, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.